Okay, if you happen to get involved with remaking the camper pop-up, I don't know if you could see, let's see, yeah, right there, we removed that, and now we're working on it over here. The particle board is glued to it, and the mistake we made is pulling it, so now there's these dents in it, and when we glue it down we're gonna have to hammer it, and it's always gonna have dents in it now. We'll try and find a roller to make it really nice, but this sheet metal is so thin, it's so flimsy without the wood attached to it. I don't know if it's like 22 gauge, 20 gauge, not sure. But yeah, so if you're doing this, be aware of that and keep it on flat surfaces. And then when you're doing this, just do a glue removal instead of trying to rip it. It comes off pretty easy. All right, that's my tips for the day.